Hi, we're going to continue on one-page web application. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. And notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is already loaded here. Okay, so we want to fix the error by installing the NuGet packages. So if I right-click here and try to manage NuGet packages, I may get an error message. Say that you have to save your solution first. So let's do a file save all, and I want to locate my solution folder, so let's go to my C drive 10. Yep, that's my solution folder. Okay, so once you save your solution, you should be able to get the package installed. And you have to go online. Okay, and you have to search for something. Okay, let's choose all, and then you have to search for that. And you need this. Yep, that's what you need. And then you say install. And then they put a lot of things into that solution package, as you can see here. This is part of the reason I don't really like to use IIS Express. I like IIS Manager better, but I don't know, some people like IIS Express, so I'm just going to show you both ways of running things. Okay, so as you can see here, you will have a whole lot of things installed into your folder here. Okay, but if you are running the IIS, you don't really need that. Okay, but if you're running IIS Express, you need that. So let's just try to press F5 to run IIS Express, and the error message will appear, which is great. Okay, so you are good to go to do the next thing. Okay, so now you can require the interest rate to begin, but what if you only want the interest rate to be between 1 to 20? Okay, which obviously is not true in real life, but for the sake of exercise, we'll just do that. So you want to add another validator, and that is called a range validator. So let me drag, and I want the error message to appear here as well, so I'm just going to drag it here behind it. Okay, behind the required validator. And I'm going to display, I'm going to say dynamic error message. I'm going to say and what else I need? For color, I'm going to ask for red. Okay, let's see. ID doesn't really matter. Oops, I added the wrong thing. Instead of adding a range validator, I added a regular expression validator, which is wrong. So I have to get rid of that, which is a good practice. You know how to get rid of things. So I'm just going to select it and say delete. Okay, let me make sure I drag the range validator. The text is too small, so let's drag the range validator. Alright, that is correct. Okay, error message. Let's try that again. Display is dynamic. Rate. Control to validate is tax interest rate. Maximum value is 20 and minimum value is 1. Type not string. You want a double or integer, so let's put a double because interest rate can have decimal places. And let's save our work. Save all. And let's press F5. And let's say you key in something and you key in ABC, they will give you interest rate must be from 1 to 20. If you say 30, they will say interest rate must be 1 to 20. If you say 15.5, that is good. That is okay. The error message is gone. So we fixed the error message for we changed the validation for this. So let me close this and stop the debugging. Okay, the next thing is I want to add a require field validator and a range validator for this. And there's a shortcut for that. Okay, instead of creating everything over again, you can actually just copy this. Right click copy, paste. As you can see, when you do that, they actually give you a different require field ID, which is good. All you need to do is change the error message, which is number of years is required, and change the control to validate to tax years, which is this one. And you can press F5 to run. So if you key in 12 here and you forgot to key in something, they will say a number of years is required. Let's close and stop this. And we are going to copy the range as well, so just copy the range validator, put it here, and we have to change the error message to, let's say you want the range of years from 1 to 45. Range from 1 to 45. And you don't take half a year, so you have to change the type to integer, and you have to control the tax years, and the maximum value is 45, minimum value is 1, and it's the integer, so run. F5. So if you key in 15 and you key in say ABC, they will say not good. And if you key in 50, they will say not good. If you key in 30, they will say you are good to go. Okay, and it will also work in the IIS environment. So if you reload here, this would work as well. Okay, so that's a good place to stop. The next one, I think we can do the clear button and the calculate button. Okay, so that's the end of this video. We'll move on in the next video. Thanks for watching.